Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings. In this video, we are going to share the Market Chameleon review we recently wrote about, and we explore how the features of this tool will help you benefit in your option trading. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and dive in. Okay, so here's another article review of a tool which as we do here at Successful Trading, to help a stock and option trader benefit, get an edge, if you will, in the markets, right? Because trading is all about getting an edge. So there are tons of tools out there. So for people who are new to option trading, or even veterans who are new to option trading, you are always looking for an edge, something that will make it to have that ability to trade consistently and generate income. So Market Chameleon, it's a web-based platform that aim to provide that edge in option trading. So the tool has been around for a while. So to be honest, it's purely web-based. So for us, when we were doing this research on here, we had to go through its numerous features that we have on here. But there's one in particular that we really want to focus on, to bring your attention on today. It's the earning option screener. So Market Chameleon option screener. It's that's what it is known for the most part. So let's take a look on here. What's definitely the tools have overall, and how I specifically focuses on option, how you will benefit from it for option trading. So the tool, web-based, it's just as anything, provide the basic things that you can expect out of a financial website in this case. So you can generate a watch list for your stock that you're interested in. You can be alerted for those stocks as usual. So nothing fancy, nothing new, or nothing fancy for that feature on here. The part that's a little bit now really gets into an edge is option trading. So in option trading, there are many ways, many strategies that people go about it. So one of the features on here is the unusual option volume screen. Yeah, on the unusual option volume screen. So we share a video with you on how actually there's a video on the website on here on how you can go about using that. This is very popular. Why? Because there's this concept issue of this line of thinking in option trading, which we say that, well, if somebody we see something that doesn't look unfamiliar. What's unfamiliar now? So for those who are new to option, let's maybe take the time on here to break it down. So the unfamiliarity in option, because options are time bound, right? So let's say if you see a trade that somebody, it could be anybody at an institution, whatever, they decide to pour a lot of money. So how much money is being spent on a position, an option position, definitely a source of an unusual activity. Also, the expiration in relation to the current time, meaning how much time. So let's say we are on a Wednesday and you see a trade come in expiring for Friday. That means that the person taking that trade may have some news, because they are willing to take a risk over a very short period of time. So that's definitely, and along with the strike as well, because sometimes you will see something like a stock trading, let's say, I don't know, $100, and you see a strike at $200. That's, yeah, 100% strike distance between the current price of the security of the stock and the strike price. So those are the three sources of unusual activity, if you will. So let's recap them, right? The price to the strike, the expiration, and the amount of money that's on there. So then you can in here, this feature will enable you to filter through that. So with those with a high volume, a high amount of money, or just from a date perspective. But I always tell traders this, because this feature, the same type of feature that you see inside of, let's say, Flow Algo, Trader Flow, Black Box. We need to be mindful that when we see a trade, that trade could be a hedge. Yes, meaning the big institution out there, they will put on some unusual activity, but that could be a hedge. So the true nature of the full trade may be hidden to us. So that's always something to take with a grain of salt. That's how for us, we have been cautioning people when we use option inflow algo to really pay attention to which that we are doing before committing to, oh, I see huge amount of call coming in on a specific stock. That doesn't mean it's bullish. Really? No. It just means that somebody out there bought that position. So similar thing on here on unusual volume feature of Market Chameleon in one of the feature, but definitely it's a benefit on there. So the question is, how often will it turn out to be something? And that's something over the long term period you will have to see. But the benefit is that you get the information that, hey, somebody somewhere. So for me, I always tell traders, when I see any type of option flow, heavy option flow on a stock, that's telling me that that stock's going to be moving. The unknown still remain the direction. And for us, one way that we take advantage of that, strong orders are for that. Yeah, meaning that whichever direction that the stock move, we are likely to make money. So the second feature here is the earning calendar. So through the earning calendar, this tool enables you to consistently be able to stay on top of the earnings season when they are going to come, and plan accordingly, because during earnings season, there are 4 earnings season, as you know: January 15 through February 15, April 15 through May 15, July 15 through August 15, and then October 15 to November 15. That's like the chunk of the company they report the earnings during those 4 times. But obviously in between you have other company reporting. It's just that the accumulation of the number of companies during outside of those 4 time period that I give you, it's much smaller. So in that case, for you on here, this feature will help you plan accordingly how you will go about which specific option trade you want to focus on as part of earning. And then there is the earning option screener of Market Chameleon. So this is a feature that really trying to get you the most out of the earning season, because in the earning season, again, during those 4 times each year, you will get a lot of opportunity. Company announcing what's the quarterly result will generally make the stock more volatile. And the whole edge about option trading, it's about taking advantage of the implied volatility. So that's what this tool here is inside of the Market Chameleon tool overall. So a great deal of this is the fact that you as a trader can make an educated decision based on this information on here. So that's really the most important things on here. So for us, typically, the strategies that we usually trade, they are basic to calls and put, but in this tool, for instance, they will be scanning for all of these other type of more complex options. So covered call, naked puts, call spread are things that they will make suggestion to you. That's you don't have to search per se, right? So Market Chameleon will not only give you the information, so you can make that informed decision. And then there are news, obviously, the feature about news into, okay, you have, let's say, a company that you're interested in, you will be appraised and you can receive alerts onto that. So we did in our research, then we went and reviewed what people who have been using the tool, what are the take on the tool. Most of the opinion was really positive. Yeah. So most of the opinion positive. So now we presented you the features, but what really the features do not matter that much is the benefit to you as a trader. The question is, okay, what are the offerings? So they're offering on here, oh boy, they do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them very quickly here. Let's go here. So a stock trader, just focusing on stock trading, $39 per month. As an option trader, $69 per month. If you want to add the earning, and they call it earning trader, meaning that the ability to receive ideas on so the earnings option screener, if you will, right? And then for full total access to encompass all of these, $99 per month. So depending on your budget, depending on where you are in your trading life, you may decide to go for one of those plans. So for us on here at the very end, we provide, okay, what's make Market Chameleon different. So the different level of subscription, really. So meaning it's flexible enough such that from $39 to $99, you can choose and pick, and you can upgrade at any point of time. So the pros: 7 days trial. There is there are free tools you can check before subscribing so that you're comfortable with it and that it meets your needs. The watchlist creation is easy. And then it provides the best strategies based on because each one of us, we like to trade in a certain way as traders, right? The cons that for us, we see here, the platform is a little bit outdated and not as intuitive that maybe some of the most recent one, and there may be the lack of tutorials as well. But at the end of the day, again, depending on which that you are doing, we think that it's worth checking out, and you can let us know your opinion. Overall, here at Successful Trading, we teach you how, for instance, we have a unique strategy on how we approach earnings, which is different from there. So if you would like to check us out, the review actually provide you that opportunity as well. We hope you get something out of this Market Chameleon review today, and we hope to catch you next time. Bye-bye.